Hi, I'm Dane Muldoon, a sales engineer with Supply Partners, Australia's leading distributor of solar and energy storage products. What's this? This is Sungrow's head office in Hefei, China, and I've been privileged to be invited by Sungrow to come and take a look around. Let's go. So here I am up on the roof of one of the buildings at Sungrow's head office in Hefei, China. They have about 4 megawatts installed across the various buildings of this campus. So every building you're about to see, you'll notice that there's PV basically everywhere. Starting off with this building, this is the administration building. And you can see PV everywhere. And that's the R&D building. The one in the middle, building 2, is for the central inverters. The third one back, building 1, that's where they make the string inverters. That taller building, center back, that is where they make the PCBs. The taller building straight back, that's their logistics division. The building back in the corner there is half testing for final shipment and warehousing. The smaller one in front is for high voltage. And then this building here is for employee services. And you can see littered everywhere, basically. They've got inverters of every shape and size. Now the central inverter division, that second building, building 2, they're actually moving to the new facility at the moment. And some of the other divisions here will do that as well because they need to free up room on this campus for the electric vehicle R&D and manufacturing, as well as the floating array division. Here we are, guys, outside of building number 1, and you know what that means: string inverters. And as you can see, they've got plenty going on, even out in the car park. And right behind us here is the warehouse. You take a bit of a glimpse in there, you'll notice that there are pallets and pallets of string inverters. Pallets of 50 kilowatt solar inverters ready to be taken out to the market. Here I am ready to check out the printed circuit board factory building inside of the Sungrow head office. And I'm all decked out with the clean room gear, and I've got anti-static on my boots as well. Unfortunately, there are some restrictions on filming inside these facilities, so I won't be able to show you on the inside, but I'll report back soon. What is the key factor for inverter reliability? It's the boards. You might have heard of board swaps with other inverter manufacturers. It's the boards that fail. These are the things that you need to get right, and Sungrow makes their own so that they always have complete confidence in the reliability and quality of the boards going into their inverters. Here we are inside Sungrow's building 4. This is their test facility and also their warehouse capability. And right behind me are pallets of the brand new CX110 110 kilowatt string inverter. You can see here in the warehouse that they've got pallets and pallets of inverters ready to go out, and lots of the raw materials also that are going to go into the production. Hefei is experiencing massive growth at the moment. Right across the road from the Sungrow head office is a huge construction site where they're building a new metro station. They currently have 2 lines, but they're putting in another 4, and they'll have metro across the whole city.